Hi everyone, it's
Hi
Mother's
everyone. Hi everyone.
So it's Mother's Day weekend and we like to do baking when we can get along, all of us. And today we are gonna have a crack at the Gloria Stern shortbread cookies with fresh pressed flowers. These are Gloria Stern's own flowers that she grows in her back garden in Montecito. They're organic and then she presses them. I mean, look how delicate and beautiful these are. I'll just take you through the ingredients.
3 eggs, 3 sticks of butter, sugar, vanilla,
Sugar,
and
this
salt.
raw sugar.
Raw cane sugar.
So first we're gonna make the dough. Okay, so, one, that's like maybe 1.5.
2,
2.
3. No, Petty, you have to put all of it.
Okay, so it's actually a 10 cup situation.
No, it's 12. No, 13. 14. 16.
3 sticks of organic butter, unsalted.
Softened butter, and
How much sugar?
1 1/3 cup of organic cane sugar.
Great. Salt.
Salt.
How much salt did we need?
2 teaspoons.
Perfect.
It
Oh,
says
okay.
add egg yolks.
Perfect.
Next, we add a vanilla extract. Betsy, do you want to do it?
Oh yeah, can you pour this in here? Boop.
In here, in here.
In here.
Next, we have to transfer to a standing mixer.
Can you turn it on low, Petty? Just to number 2. Good girl.
One more.
Nice. One more. For Mother's Day, what do we normally do? Sometimes the kids make me some breakfast, but usually it takes a little longer and
No,
I end
but
up...
you only like healthy food.
We want to speed up the process a little bit, so we're going to put it in the freezer for 10 minutes instead of the fridge for 20. Okay, make them into balls so we can chill them, okay?
I'm gonna make the best ball. So we just took it out of the freezer, and it is very cold.
Feels
and so
chilled,
wipe that over it.
so it doesn't stick.
Now, I got this for Christmas from Santa.
These are pretty, I would say, perfect. Why don't we leave these for now and add some flowers?
Okay.
Shall we?
Can I add an orange blossom?
Aw, they're so pretty. Look how delicate. You can buy these beautiful pressed edible flowers on Gloria's website, which is gloriastern.com, and it's such a fun activity to do with your people. Oh, that is
This
so
one's my
pretty.
favorite.
In our description, we will add the types of flowers that Gloria sells on her website and that we're using today, so you can get more information around edible pressed flowers. So how long will we put them in the oven?
10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes, okay. We're popping them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. You want to do it?
Yeah.
My guess. Wow.
Oh yeah.
How pretty are they?
Bye everyone.
Gosh, you guys are that really... Bye everyone. Happy Mother's Day.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.